Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete folder in Hotmail.com. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to remove an email folder in Outlook on the web, which many still know as Hotmail. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you can follow along confidently. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook Mail. If you're not already signed in, enter your account details and complete any verification prompts. Once you're in your inbox, make sure you're viewing the Mail section. On the left side of the screen, you should see the navigation pane with your list of folders. If that panel looks collapsed, look for an arrow or a folders label to expand it so you can see everything. Next, locate the folder you want to delete in the left navigation. It might be a custom folder you created earlier, and it could be nested under another folder. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the list or expand any parent folders to reveal subfolders. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct folder, especially if several have similar names. Keep in mind that you can't remove default system folders like Inbox, Sent Items, or Drafts. Only custom folders can be deleted. When you found the correct folder, move your mouse over it and open the folder's options. You'll do this by selecting the three dots icon, often labeled More Options. Depending on your layout, that icon may appear when you hover over the folder name. Clicking it opens a small menu with actions specific to that folder. From the folder menu, choose Remove. In some interfaces, you might see Delete Folder, but Remove is the typical label. Selecting this option prepares the folder for deletion. Before you continue, be aware that removing a folder deletes the folder itself and typically sends the messages it contains to deleted items. This helps you recover messages if you change your mind shortly after. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to finalize the deletion. Read the message so you understand what will happen to the contents. When you're sure, select the option to confirm, usually labeled Delete or Remove. The folder will disappear from the left navigation and the action is complete. If you realize it was the wrong folder, check your deleted items to see if the messages can be restored. That's it. You opened Outlook Mail, found your folder, opened its options, chose Remove, and confirmed. This quick cleanup step helps keep your mailbox organized and easier to navigate.